let's see how to remove duplicates in Microsoft Excel. I have a worksheet right here, the emails worksheet, that contains some duplicate emails in here in column A. If you look closely, these are duplicates. This appears to be duplicates, and I would like to remove all the duplicates, and let's see how we can do that. So the first step is to select all your data, and you can do that either by selecting all the column just like that, or clicking somewhere in the data, pressing Ctrl and A, and this way all your data will be selected, or by going to the first cell that contains data, clicking Ctrl, Shift and the down arrow. And once you've done either of the options, you have to go to the sixth tab over here, that's the data tab. And in here on the data tools group, you have to identify the remove duplicates button. And I'm just going to click on the button. So once I've done that, I will see this wizard that says to delete duplicate values, select one or more columns that contain duplicates. We can use these options right here to select or unselect all. We can specify if our data has headers. If we uncheck this, you'll see that the first value has been selected. And if I check it back, now the value in A1 isn't included in the operation. So this is important if you have a column and somehow the title of the column can be found also as a value in your data, and if that's the case, you have to make sure that this option right here is checked. In our case, it really doesn't matter. Also, this part over here with the columns doesn't matter as well, since we only have one column. So I'm just going to go ahead and click OK, and you see that I get a pop-out that says 5 duplicate values found and removed, and now I have 9 unique values. I'm just going to click on OK, and this is it. My data has been cleaned up. That's how you do it. That's how you remove duplicates in Microsoft Excel. Now, if you've reached the end of the video, I want to thank you for watching, and if you could please do me a favor and hit the like button and leave a comment below with your feedback for this video. It will help me a lot with the channel, and it will also help me reach more people in the future. And by the way, if you'd like to see more videos like this, please check out the description of this video. I have a link right there to a playlist full of Microsoft Excel videos just like this one. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.